Hello. Hi. Welcome back to VoiceSign. This is my daughter, Alexis. You want to say hi? Yes, please. Yes, say hi.
Hey.
Hi. Hi. So it looks like we have some people here already. Yay. Thank you for coming. Thank you. And please put your name in the comments so I know who you are. And I will be asking questions too. So get in the habit of typing for this class. Yes, ma'am. She's gonna help show you the ABCs. So while we are waiting for a few minutes, just for maybe some more people to show up, do you have any questions from Monday's class about what voice sign is, or how it is different from ASL, or how it is the same? How we talk about our signs, like palm up, out, and in, like that. Are there any questions? That's in, that's up, that's to the opposite side, etc. Okay, well, since I'm not seeing anything in comments, I'm going to move forward with the ABCs. Now, oh, hi, someone, and Annie. You're wondering a voice by people who usually use ASL. That is a good question, Annie. Thank you for asking it. It is, she's saying, hi, Annie. It is a question I get a lot. Can people who know ASL understand voice sign? And my easy answer is, I think so. I think so. I am not 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure. I do know, sorry. I do know that VoiceSign uses a lot of ASL signs. So there is a lot they will understand. I also know there will be things they will look at and say, what are you doing? But that is because they do not speak English, and VoiceSign is signing English. So they would have seen that sentence and known I said voice and sign and English and probably more words. They put it together different, like I showed you last week. Table, cat, under, like that. But if we said the cat is under the table, they would still see the cat, and under and table, they'd see that. So yes, I think so. In the lesson sheets on the VoiceSign website, it gives you every word that we go over in the class here on these videos, and it says whether or not it's an ASL sign or a voice sign, and sometimes it's a C sign. So you know what you are signing. I hope that answers your question, Annie, and anyone else who may have had that. So are there any more? before we get started with the ABCs? Thank you, Annie. So maybe I should did I just to learn how to write English and speak English in ASL or any other sign system for people who are deaf? And that is why we are doing and using VoiceSign, is because she is not deaf and she hears everything we say. So it just makes sense to have her learn to talk in the language she hears, right? So that is why we voice sign. Ready to show them the ABCs? Well, get ready. Are you ready? So, if you know the ABCs already in America, voice sign ABCs are the same except for 2 letters. Okay, I'll tell you about them when we get there. Okay, so if you know the ABCs, then try to focus on the moving your hands in between the letters. So you go from A to B, and what does that feel like? And really focus on B to C and the movement in between the letters. Okay, that would be your a step to practice if you know the ABCs. So, and if you do not know the ABCs, then let's learn them. And after we learn them, we're going to practice them, and we'll go slow at first, and then we'll go faster and faster, and then we will do some finger spelling for y'all. So stay with us, please. Okay, let's go. Show them A. 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 So make sure your thumb is up. A. B. Then your fingers are up, thumb is over on your palm. B. C. We turn our hand just a little bit with A and B. The palm is out, and now we're going to turn it at that angle out into the opposite side for C. So you can see through your C kind of. C. D. Now, if you're just learning this, somehow some people have a hard time with D and F. So D is your first finger is pointing up, and these fingers are curled over. I'm using my right hand, and to me it looks like a lowercase d. So D, D. E. Some of you may have seen E a little tight like this. We do it big because it's easy to see, and a lot of people do it big too. And we've adapted to really spread that E open so that you can see it when you're spelling. Hello, Marla, Grant, and Jordan. Welcome. Okay, song with us. We're on C, and we'll go over the first ones again. So C, if you see D, E, sorry, we're on E. F. Now here, D, first finger's up. It looks like a lowercase d if you're using your right hand. F is your 3 fingers are now up, and your first finger is curled around. So F. F. G. Just these 2, your thumb and your finger, and you point them to your opposite side. G. H. Very good, Alexis. So inside, my thumb is curled over for H. So H. And I. Is your pinky straight up? Show them your pinky up for I, Alexis. Very good. I. And now J. She has a cough. Excuse her. Sorry. I. And then J. This is what we changed just a little in ASL. they do J, and they draw the J in the air if you're using your right hand. J. And all the other letters are static and they just sit there. So I'm wondering, why are we doing a dynamic letter for a dynamic movement for J? So we just went to the end of J. J. So H-I-J, right there, J. If you prefer to do this, go for it. That's fine. But J is what VoiceSign is doing now. J. So let's start at the beginning and practice that. A. A. You catch up, Alexis. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. And J. Very good. Very good. Okay, now K. If you've never done a K before, it can be a little tricky, so I'm going to walk you through this. So your first two fingers are pointing up, spread them apart, bring your middle finger, excuse me, bring your middle finger forward, and your first finger is going to go back a little bit, so it's at this angle, okay? And then your thumb in between. There's your K. K. L, yes, you do that well, Alexis. K. L. M. Let your M hang out a little bit instead of some people curl their fingers down, but it gets really hard to see your thumb over there when you do that. So have your fingers hang out. They're kind of like almost straight, but just kind of relaxed like that. Yes, M though. M. So M, and then, sorry, and it's like this. M. N is here. So if you get confused, M, you go down and up. 1, 2, 3. And there's your 3 little lines for your M. N is 1 and 2. And there's your 2 little lines for the N. So M is out, N, relax them down a little bit more. And there's your difference. It helps you to differentiate. M, N, O. Come on, get O. O. Just like an O. And P. P is an upside down K. So you have your K here and turn it upside down for P. P. Q is an upside down G. G. Q. Very good. And R. S. Did you get R? It just crosses over like that. R. S. T. So you have M, N, and now T. And those are all tight because your thumb is right here and you can see it pointing out. T. U. U. Looks like a U compared to a V and a W. And then X. Y. So your pinky and your thumb. Y. And then Z is the other letter we changed. A lot of people in America will sign Z with their first finger and they'll kind of draw it in the air if they're using their right hand. Their left hand, they're drawing it for the other person to see. So that's their Z, or they'll use their pinky to do Z. We went right to the end of Z with our pinky, Z. So X, Y, Z, like that. Goodness, kiddo, do you need to go get a drink? C. C. Alexis, what? It's your turn. You want to say hi? So Marla, Grant, and Jordan joined us. Do you want to say hi to them? Yes, say hi. This is my daughter, Alexis, and why I signed. So let's start at the beginning of the ABCs, okay? Yes, we are. Come on, show them. Work with us. Here we go. Practice. A. B. Thank you. C. D. First finger up. D. E. F. These fingers up. G,
mm,
H,
mm,
I,
mm,
J,
mm,
K,
mm,
L,
mm,
M,
mm,
N, O,
mm,
P,
mm,
sorry, Q,
mm,
R,
mm,
S,
mm,
T,
mm,
U,
mm,
V,
mm,
W,
mm,
X,
mm,
Y,
mm,
and Z.
mm.
Yay! How does that feel? Whew! So, if you knew your ABCs, how was it to focus on that space between the letters? Um, Maybe a little different than what you've thought about before, but I find it very helpful for getting smooth with my signing, with all my signing. Actually, it helps even not only with the letters, but with the signing too. So anyway, we're going to practice 3 more times, and we will get faster and faster each time. Ready? Here we go. A, B, C. Ooh, listen, I need to tell you something. Okay, so if you are doing this, A, B, C, D, E, F, like that, do you see the difference between A, B, C, and A, B, C? Okay, do it. Keep your hand still. A lot of people at the beginning, they want to go A, and they're like, I got it, B, and they're throwing it out there, but it's a hard it's a hard thing to read, and so it's not a good habit to get into. So make sure you're keeping your hand kind of still, your wrist still. It turns, but it stays in this little spot here. Okay, with that in mind, again, from the beginning, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, again, faster. Ready? Get ready. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, how was that? If you find yourself falling behind, just stop and jump ahead to where we are, and you'll find you get more and more of the ABCs as you go and practice. So again, faster. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, ready for the last time? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Did you finish with us? I hope so. Good job. Okay, do you have questions? You always want to say hi. Do they have questions?
Hmm.
Hmm. Hmm. I'm not seeing anyone type, so I'm guessing you do not. The thing with the ABCs and with all things really is practice. So come back, watch it, watch the video again, rewind, practice, practice, practice. Thanks, Marla, for saying it's all good here. Yay, yay, good job. So let's practice spelling some words. Do you want to go now? You get bored when I finger spell. Want to say bye-bye? Yeah, she says, my turn. Okay, say bye-bye. See you next time. I'm staying. Okay, so bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you for helping us. Okay, here we go. We're going to finger spell. I would like you to try to get your typing hands ready. So if you know what I am spelling, you can type it in the comments, okay? I'm going to spell fast first, and then 2 more times, slower each time, and you try to guess, okay? So, first word. First word. Okay, do you know? And again. Do you know what that is? At. Cat. Cat. Yay, Annie, thank you. Cat. Yay, she got it. So, Marla, Grant, and Jordan, could you see that? Good, good. Yes, so cat. Cat. Okay, another word. So I've put there's a little trick to this word. Let's see if you can catch it. Ready? Do you know that? Do you know what this is? When I went this, do you know this is a P and I went across, so that means it's 2 P's. So I'll do it again. One more time. Do you know what that is? Oh, so close, Annie. It's not happy. So close, though. Let's try again. What's that? Hippo. 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 Okay. Yay, Marla. Yay. Yay, good. Hippo. We'll try another one. Sorry, I'm going fast first. Okay, so again, you see the double N. So try to spell it out, sound it out with your, as though you're hearing it almost. Sunny, sunny, sunny. Do you see that? Sunny. Yes. Yay, Annie. Sunny. 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 Okay, another one. What is that? And again. Do you know? This is hard if you just learned the ABCs a few minutes ago. So, yeah. Yes, yay, Marla, you guys got it. Green, green, green. Good job. Yay, Annie, I'm happy you got it too. Okay, another one. And again. And again. Do you see that? Table, 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 table. Yay, Marla got it. So this last one is long. Are you ready? I will do it many times. So it's and again. And again. And computer. Yay, Marla! Computer. Good. Computer. Good, 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 good. Okay, so how is that? Let's do the BCs one more time. Please do it with me. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yay, good job. And Marla, you wrote it's hard. Yeah, yeah, it is. I I have a video friend, a friend who I we give each other messages through video and their voice sign messages. And when we spell things out, it is hard and it takes practice. And even now with me, sometimes I do watch it 2 times to see what it is. It takes practice. But so this next week, between now and Monday, go around your house and spell what you see. Practice the ABCs so you know them. And then practice spelling what you see. And if you have other people, you can show the ABCs to. That will help you. And you can spell together like Marla, Grant, and Jordan. You 3 can spell to each other, and that is great fun. And Annie, I don't know if you have someone you can show, it will help. And if not, just practice anyway and spell what you see and go for a walk and spell the things you see on your walk or whatever you are doing. And then we'll practice more next Monday and we'll learn readings and we'll practice more spelling and learn how to, well, say hi and meet people. So Thank you so much for coming. I hope you all are doing well enough during these crazy times, and thank you for sharing your evening with me and my daughter, and for learning some voice sign. So we will see you next Monday here on YouTube at 7 o'clock Mountain Time. Thank you. Bye.